children. So we are back again now for our online class. I hope you all are fine and safe. So up to last day we completed some and the reflection of light also we completed in the last classes. And today we are going with the coal and petroleum. Did you finish your what is that, the notes part or whatever the question answers parts are? Whatever I gave, I hope they are completed. And the thing is, we will check your notes and that will be for your formative assessment. Remember that without completing, don't keep pending of your notes and get ready with all the lessons what was completed. And today we are talking about coal and petroleum. In this coal and petroleum, we will talk about natural resources. Here we will talk about natural resources. In this natural resources, we will discuss about exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources, we will discuss about that. Okay. Next, we will talk about petroleum and petroleum products. Petroleum and petroleum products. Next, we will discuss about coal and coal products. Means what we will extract from petroleum and coal. What we will extract from petroleum and coal. Here, what are natural resources? Natural resources are of two types, exhaustible and inexhaustible. What are exhaustible resources? What are inexhaustible resources? We will discuss about that one. And here in this, we will talk about petroleum and coal. What is petroleum and what is coal, and what we are extracting from petrol and coal. And with this, we will discuss about fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels and what is the use of these fossil fuels? Okay, what are fossil fuels and what are the uses of these fossil fuels? We will discuss about that one. And in this, we will discuss about solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. Okay, these all things we will discuss in this coal and petroleum lesson. Got the point? Natural resources. What are natural resources? And from this natural resources, what we will get exhaustible and inexhaustible resources we will discuss. And in this exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, we will discuss about petroleum and coal. And what are the uses of these petroleum and coal we will discuss. Next, we will see about fossil fuels. Here we will discuss what are fossil fuels. Okay, and next solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy. Coming back to the lesson, what we are going to discuss is that here Deekshita was there. Okay, what she is doing means she is trying to take a container which was present at the top of the shelf. Okay, she is little bit of short, and what she is doing means she is raising her hands and trying to take the container. Her grandfather is telling, be careful, the jar may broke. Okay, then Deekshita is giving an answer to his grandfather, saying that it is not a glass jar, it is a plastic container, so it will not break, she is telling. So what is this? Different varieties of objects are made with different. In our house, we will have steel containers, copper, bronze, okay, plastic, then wood. These all containers. Even the things which are made with clay, pots like that. So in this, which are breakable and which are unbreakable. Okay, for what purpose we are using these things? This all we are going to discuss now. In this, in our textbook, one table was given. We are trying to fill that table now, and by that let us see in olden days. Olden days means just let us go 50 years back. to our grandparents' time. Okay, now to your time. Lot of difference will be there, no? So at that particular time, which type of things they used in the house, and now which things we are using in our house, which is the best one, whether what our grandparents used, is it good for us, or now what we are using, is it good for us? Let us see, compare that one by this table now.
Start.
So now we are discussing about activity 1, which is very important. Just you see, let us know the difference between now and before. In this activity 1, a table was given for you, that is first one is articles and activity. Okay. Second one is articles and materials used 30 to 40 years back. Now articles and materials used now. See here, what we are going to identify. First one, articles and activities. Second one, articles and materials used 30 to 40 years ago, and articles and materials used today. So in that, the first one is containers, for storing pickles. Previously, so please check here. First one is containers for storing pickles. Before, means 30-40 years back, they used clay jars. Telugulo aithe jadilu antaru. Okay, porcelain containers or glass containers. Not only clay jars they used porcelain, ceramic, glass jars they used 30 to 40 years back. Now what we are doing means we are storing that in plastic containers. What is the difference? Which one is good for us means the things which are stored in clay jars or ceramic or glass jars is good to use, means best to use than to use in the plastic containers. And we should not use them pickles in metal containers. Why? Because pickles contain acids, and that acids reacts with metal and the pickles will be spoiled. Even the container also will be spoiled. Because of that, we should not use metal containers. We know that one. What we have to use? We have to use clay or plastic. The difference you see, you can try practically. Take a glass container, take a plastic container, and store the pickles in the two containers for 10 days and try to observe. You see, after 10 days also, in the clay container, the pickles will be fresh. But in the plastic container, you can see that they will become dry. They'll get the smell of that particular plastic container, and after 10 days, you will have more interest to eat in this glass jar, the pickle, but not in the plastic container. So you have to understand that the difference between in which we have to store that one. When we are taking just container for storing pickles means the best one is porcelain, ceramic, glass or clay jars, but not in the plastic containers. So we are telling we are developed, we are in fast forward country technology, we are telling, but try to understand the difference between them. You see, in this clay jar for 1 year also the pickle will look like we kept it today. Okay, in plastic container within 1 month you can see that waste, or we will not be interested to take that particular pickle. Okay, The next one, second one. Packing food for journey. Packing food for journey. So when we are taking packing food for journey, before they used to go with the copper tiffin boxes. Now we are going with the plastic tiffin boxes. So see here the difference. Not only this one, when we are taking plantain leaf, the very important one is aritaku antam. Previously, they used to take a thick plantain leaf and they used to keep food in that one, fold that and tie a thread to that one. What will happen means the things, the nutritious value which is present in that leaf will be taken by this hard food and your health will be very good for long time. Did you understand? Even in the same way, copper container also. Many people will tell for us water, drink water in a copper glass, copper bottle. Okay, what will happen? It helps for us for the resistance and also whatever diseases we are having, it will be reduced by taking the food or water, whatever it may be, by in the copper containers. Now what we are doing? Plastic. You will see the plastic containers are made with what? Petroleum. Already I discussed in the third lesson, synthetic fibers and plastic. At that particular time I discussed plastic is made of two types, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. In the two cases, we can say that in the two cases, what is that? These are very dangerous using of plastic items I discussed. So hard items, mummy when you are going for school, what she will do? She will prepare everything very hot and keep in your box. If it is copper or if it is steel or if it is some other material, it is good. If you are taking in plastic container, this hot rasam or sambar, whatever it may be, that will react with this plastic container. In this plastic, what is present? Petrochemicals are present. Because of that petrochemicals reacts with this food, and what will happen? We will suffer with number of diseases. The best example is cancer. The best example nowadays, many people are suffering with cancer. Why? See, we will take hot tea in paper cup. That paper cup is also made with plastic. Okay, plastic glasses we will take. Plastic glass, when we go outside, when we ask a cup of tea, what he will do? He will give in a plastic container. Is it correct or not? So where we are getting this plastic container, with what it is made? It is made with petrochemicals. Now hot tea is poured in this and we will drink that one. What is happening? What we are using the acids that reacts with us and we will suffer with cancer. So what we have to do? Packing of food for journey, it must be taken by copper tiffin boxes or plantain leaves. The best thing than plastic tiffin boxes. Even steel also you can take them. Okay. Next one is the third one is water pipes in the houses. So see here, previously when we go 30 to 40 years back, I think there are no much in most of the towns and the villages. I think there are no water pipes and all. Water used to be there, wells and bore wells used to be there. If they want to go for washroom or whatever it may be, they will carry a bucket of water from these hand pumps or bore wells and they will take them to washrooms. Okay, maybe in cities these pipes used to be there, I think. Still in villages now, if you are going to village, we can see that. What we can see in villages, wells and bore wells, hand pumps will be there, and for household whatever needs are there they will fill the bucket and carry. Now what is happening means we are telling we can't carry the bucket, the buckets are very heavy or something. Now even buckets also we are going with plastic, then to hold that one. So wherever we go we are using the tap system. So that tap system will go on by using pipelines. Previously means iron pipelines used to be there, it seems. Okay, but now what we are going? Plastic, which is made with, we are telling PVC pipes. What is meant by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Okay, what is meant by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Not only plastic, in big industries you can see that they are made with iron. In big industries you can see that they are made with iron. You can see that it is made with plastic or it is made with iron. So what is meant by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. So previously it is made with iron. Now we are using plastic and iron also. The next one is hair combs. Previously it is made with wood. Now we are using plastic. See the difference. Previously, to comb the hairs, we are having this one, the combs are made with the wood, it seems. Different models we are having, which is good for hair, but now we are going with the plastic. Okay, the next one is vessels for cooking. Vessels for cooking food. Here, before copper vessels, okay, now we are going with the steel utensils. So know the difference between these two. Cooking vessels for cooking food, not only copper, they used bronze, okay, they used clay pots. These all things, in few houses they use even silver also for cooking the food. There is aluminium, okay. So here copper, bronze and next clay pots they used. Now we are going with the steel utensils. Which is the best one, teacher? Here we are not using plastic containers. In few means when we are using microwave ovens in the house, there also we are using plastic only. The thick Tupperware plastic we are taking and that plastic container only we are cooking, baking the foods. No, that is not good. Then in this, which is the best one, teacher? Here also we are going with steel, we are going with copper, bronze, clay pots means the best one is copper and clay, not the steel. Which utensils are best to use means copper and clay are the best things to use than steel. But now in routine, why? Because when we are comparing copper and steel, steel we will get in less cost than the copper. So because of that we are going with steel utensils and better is clay and copper. Got the point? And remaining in the table we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.